Hi, I'm Aaron, and welcome back to another episode of Repair Shop U. Do you want to close more sales by doing things the right way? Selling service to your customers should be second nature. You do it every day, and you should be really good at it, correct? Just because you do it every day doesn't mean that you have perfected your skill. Just like vehicles that are ever evolving, your customer is also changing their buying habits. In order to grow your business, you have to keep the mindset that you're not just selling service, you're providing solutions to a problem for the customer. Let's talk about the morals of selling. This seems to be a topic that comes up a lot with my shops, and it's a very gray area. You only need to sell your customer what they need. In today's social media frenzy, you're opening yourself up to liability if you sell them a power steering flush based on mileage, and they just had the repair work done at another repair facility. Overselling service might help your short-term numbers, but if you're looking to build a long-term, future-proof brand, it's not the correct way. On the other side of the fence, I see shops all the time turning away business because they feel like they are helping the customer. A 1995 Ford Ranger that needs $2,000 worth of repairs may be time for the scrap yard, but the customer needs to make that decision. There are three things that are usually going to happen if you advise the customer not to put money into their vehicle. 1, they don't listen to you and get the repair work completed somewhere else. 2, they purchase another vehicle and it could lead to the same amount of costly repairs. 3, they purchase a newer vehicle from the dealership or used car lot where they are of course going to pay the markup on the vehicle. In any of these cases, the owner may have paid more than the cost of repair and may not be in a better situation. You should make sure the customer is aware they have options, but don't try and steer their decision. Now, let's get to the number one customer buying habit: trust. With new customers, you have to build trust into everything that you do. Don't just go into the sale. Give a background. What did you find that was wrong with the vehicle, and why do you recommend replacement? Sound confident. Your brake pads are getting worn and may need replacement soon, versus your brake pads are at 330 seconds and should be replaced before they get any worse. Offer to show and sell. Ask them if they want to receive a text message with a picture of what's wrong with their vehicle. Hang on to the part if it's a large ticket, so when they come in they can see what was actually wrong. Be kind and understanding. Have patience with the customer. They may be in a situation that's a lot of money for them to spend. Make sure that you are relatable to the customer. Build value into what you're selling. Whether it's a quick turnaround time or maybe a discounted price, make sure they know that you're doing everything you can to try and help them out. If it's a pre-existing customer, hopefully you've built the relationship already. They will ask the question of when can they have their vehicle back versus how much is it going to cost to fix it. If you're selling preventative maintenance on fluids that do need to be changed, make sure you have established a relationship first. You don't want to offer these things on the first time a vehicle comes in your service drive. With today's customers, you have to develop the relationship before they will make a purchase. Be the shop that provides solutions for the customer and not the one that sells service, and you will see a difference in your numbers. Thanks for watching, and check us out on RepairShopU.com.